Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Murano hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is turned off for safety before proceeding with any maintenance or checks under the hood. Once the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your Murano. You will need to locate the secondary safety latch. Reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, usually around the center, above the grille. Feel for a small lever or tab that needs to be pushed or pulled to fully release the hood. This secondary latch is a crucial safety feature, preventing accidental opening while driving. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood upwards. It should open smoothly. Once the hood is fully open, locate the prop rod, which is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the prop rod from its clip and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood or the vehicle's frame to securely hold the hood open. To close the hood, first, carefully remove the prop rod from its support slot and secure it back into its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches above the engine bay. Do not drop it from a great height. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood with both hands to ensure it latches completely and securely. Always double-check that the hood is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.